Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate, locking, seats, front bucket, mirror, inside rear view with rear camera display, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, LTZ Plus package, tailgate, S-lift, LPO, rear wheelhouse liner, wheels, 420 inches x 8.5, 50.8 centimeters x 21.6 centimeters, chrome-clad aluminum, rear parking assist, ultrasonic, universal, home remote, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, USB port and the suspension package, high performance. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.